Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and removing cables so nothing resists movement. Hold the headband top with one hand and gently open the ear cups outward. This relieves tension and reveals the hinges. Once done, visually confirm the hinge tabs and seams are unobstructed. Make sure no fabric or tag is caught. This step prevents snaps or stress on the driver housing and sets up smooth rotation for the next folding actions. With both hands, rotate each ear cup inward toward the headband center. Move deliberately so you can feel the hinge travel. The cups should fold flat and sit parallel to the headband. If you encounter resistance, stop and back off slightly, then continue. Forcing may damage the hinge. Make sure the left and right cups align symmetrically. This alignment reduces pressure points in the case and helps the headphones sit compactly for storage or travel. Finish by tucking any pivot arms or headband extensions into their recessed positions and press the folded assembly gently so it locks into a compact shape. Place headphones in their case with ear pads facing inward. Do not force them into a smaller bag. If a hinge sticks or won't seat, stop and inspect. Use compressed air or a soft brush to remove debris, then try again slowly. This prevents breakage and maintains long-term hinge smoothness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.